All right, you guys know what time it is. We're going to be discussing Solana itself. See what is happening with the price of Solana right now, and of course, what is yet to come. Give you guys my daily take on Solana itself. Wow, just wow. It's literally overwhelming, to the amount of support that I receive on a day to day basis from the Solana community. And I know I might sound like a broken record at this point. I might be thanking you guys too much, but it keeps me going. It keeps me going. And that's why I say, your support motivates me. And you guys are supporting like absolutely crazy. The comments are really nice, and I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, each and every one of you guys. And I hope you guys know that your comments do not go unnoticed. I know who you are, and I love each and every one of you guys. And yeah, I just want to say that from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for all the support that you guys show on a day-to-day basis. If we're looking at the markets today, we're seeing pretty much still quite a bit of green, seeing a little bit of handful red across the board, but majority of the market is looking extremely strong. The reason as to why we're seeing a little bit of a red for some coins is because Bitcoin has seen a little bit of a minor pullback, which we will talk about right now. But as far as Solana is concerned, it's down about 2.8% over the past 24 hours, with the price currently sitting at $111.52. We're also down about 3.2% in BTC compared with the market cap below the $50 billion mark. To be exact, we're currently sitting at $49.1 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is above $2.3 billion, which is not bad at all. So before we go any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So we're going to start off with some key news, which is worthwhile sharing, and then we will get into the price talk. So shout out to Solana Floor for publishing these posts. Really informative. You can see what it says. Monthly Sol users on Sol, incentive surpassed 106K in January, an all-time high. So what this platform does is, if you have some NFTs, or you were degening into some meme coins that you shouldn't have been doing, and they just went to zero, what this project allows you to do is burn the unwanted NFTs, and you can do that on this platform. And you can see this for yourself. It says surpassed 106K in the month of January, an all-time high. So a lot of people throughout the year of 2023, and even prior to that, that did end up losing on some of the NFTs that did not perform well, or some of these meme coins that did not perform well. Of course, I can do that. So that's of course that. And also you can see this for yourself. Bitcoin on Solana, WBTC market cap has surpassed $31 million, and all-time high. So a lot of key metrics in terms of all-time highs we've been reaching, and not only that, we've been outpacing its major competitor, which is Ethereum, in a lot of different categories, decentralized platforms. We're talking about NFTs, we're talking about just volume itself. These are some factors that should not be ignored, right? And also on top of that, as far as meme coins are going, SPL tokens, you can see Myroflip's whiff in 24-hour trading volume, and these are two of the hottest meme coins that literally I get so many requests on doing. But honestly, guys, I cannot do all of these updates, and I just don't even want to, unless it's time to cover these updates, because as far as meme coins go, I'm trying to keep it very small, only certain meme coins. But this should give you an indication how much the meme coin market on Solana is booming. Literally a few months back, before this massive boom, your boy ZX himself projected that we're about to see a massive meme coin season on Sol take place, and that's exactly what we saw happen, as well as we saw a massive NFT surge. And speaking about NFT, Mad Lads also had some breaking news in terms of its floor price, which we're going to get into right now as well. So an update of on the Solana Sega phones, the original ones, 16,650 of them are live as of now, and counting, of course. And this is right here what I was talking about. So Mad Lads price hits all-time high in USD of $20,000 just 9 hours ago. Please put this into perspective how massive this is. This is literally replicating what we saw in the NFT season last cycle with Bored Apes, which went through the roof. And you're starting to see Mad Lads, doing similar things. And it is, the biggest, without a doubt, the biggest NFT, project on the market. It would have been DeGods if you guys know what DeGods is, but they decided to, give up on Solana and migrate and bridge over to Ethereum. And guess what? People are laughing at them. And as they should be, right? They never believed in Solana, and I'm sure these guys are regretting it. But again, you win some, you lose some, of course. So, if you're looking at Sol DeFi, it hasn't really touched that $2 billion mark in total value locked, but I think we will get to that, very, very close. In terms of total value locked, it's increasing day by day. Of course, a lot of money flowing into Solana, a lot of people farming, and, the farming narrative is so massive right now. I get significant amount of requests to do these airdrop videos. I will try my best to take some time out this upcoming weekend to sit and just give you guys a whole take on the Solana narrative and farming and whether it's still lucrative or not. So do look for that. But Solana's DeFi is definitely going up, and that is no secret, of course. So that is that. But now let's take a look at the price, right? Because that is what everyone is here for, to speak with the price. Before I do that, I want to take a look at the NFT space on Sol. So let's kind of take a look at that and see what is happening. I think, Mad Lads going up would, attract a lot of volume just coming in general to the Solana NFTs, and that's what we're seeing happening. 9% gain, so about $4 million in 24-hour trading volume for the NFT. So you can see this for yourself. Not seeing any sort of like crazy gains, but the volume is definitely rising. So we are seeing sales happening. You can see this for yourself. This is one of the ones that is 24 hours. Volume is $1.4 million. I don't know what this is, but looks pretty cool. It's sitting at 479.56. But yeah, you can see this for yourself. Things are looking insane for the NFT marketplace on Sol. And yeah, that's that. Again, are we surprised? Absolutely not. I'm not. If you are surprised, let me know why that would be. But let's take a look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is seeing a little bit of a minor pullback, as you can see, and that is to be expected, right? Let's face it. If you've been watching my coverage on Solana on a day-to-day basis, as you know, I do literally daily updates on Solana. And if you guys go back just a week ago, one price target I was talking about literally since breaking below that specific price target, which was the 38.2 zone. And a lot of people seem to already been forgetting about this move that Bitcoin has seen. This is not what you want to be forgetting. Bitcoin has seen a significant rally, leading up to us retesting some levels we haven't seen for over 2 years. And, of course, these key resistance levels are major. And, it's no secret at this point that we're seeing a little bit of a minor pullback around here. We're having a little bit of a hard time breaking out of here. But, if it's able to break out of here, we could be going into the 23.6 fib zone. So, please understand, market is not going to go up straight forever in one line. There's going to be times where you do see resistances coming in the way, and this is where your patience really gets tested. So I hope you understand that and understand the importance of resistances. But now let's take a look at Sol, right? So what you're looking at Solana doing is seeing a little bit of a minor pullback, which is to be expected, of course, as I mentioned to you guys. Bitcoin seeing a little bit of a pullback, and Solana is obviously reacting. If you want to put this into perspective right now, in terms of move in percentage, you can see this for yourself from yesterday at $118.51. We have seen Sol retrace about 5%. Totally okay. Absolutely okay. After seeing a move of, let me give you guys a reminder. I know a lot of people tend to forget this. We did a move of 50% in less than a month. In less than a month, a 50% move back into the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level above the key resistance level. Things are looking absolutely amazing for Sol. If it's able to retest $108, I'm totally okay with that. We did see a retest at that level just 2 days back, 2 to 3 days back, which is totally okay. And, of course, this key resistance, which was coming in our way now, is playing as a level of support, and that's exactly what you want to be seeing, which we have already seen that happen. So, I'm liking what I'm seeing right now. Do pay very, very close attention to BTC, but I do believe that we're in for a new yearly high for Solana sooner than a lot of people think. But yeah, let me know down below what you guys personally think. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for showing so much love. Continue supporting, and you will see continuous day-to-day updates no matter what, no matter how tired I am. You will see these updates. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.